Norman Cancinco, together with Fortunato Manahan Jr., Attorney Arvin Cesar Santos. From the Immigration Regulations Division, we have Chief Rogelio Guevara Jr. From the National Bureau of Investigation, we have Judge Jaime Santiago. Then from the Philippine Statistical Authority, we have Engineer Marisa Grande. We have Attorney Eliezer Ambatay. From the Manila International Airport Authority, we have the General Manager, Mr. Eric Jose C. Ines. From the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, we have Attorney Roberto Martin Benaventura. From the Maritime Industry Authority, we have Attorney Mary Margaret Espino. Then from the Philippine Coast Guard, we have Vice Admiral Rolando Bizar Consalan Jr. We have Captain Oliver Tanseco. We have Captain Hadelino Sali. We have Commander Maria